Hello, welcome to my student support system. In today's class of community health nursing, we will discuss a small topic and that is very important. Many times it is asked in examination that what are the health problems in communities in India. This is the topic we will discuss today. This lecture is in English and if you want to study in Hindi, just click on I button and you will get link of Hindi lecture. Or directly you can visit to my channel and search for this lecture in Hindi. There are a lot of health problems in the communities in India. These problems continue to be a social and economical burden on community as well as on country. Health problems affect not only individual but family, society as well as the whole country. These health problems have great impact on health status and development of the country. The common health problems are grouped as communicable disease problems, non-communicable disease problems, nutritional problems, environmental sanitation problems, medical care problems, and population problems. Now we will discuss these points one by one. First is communicable disease problem. Communicable disease continue to be a major health problem in India. Some of them affect our country in a major way. Main communicable disease problems are such as malaria. Malaria continues to be a major health problem in India. Although total malaria cases has declined as compared to previous years, but still we lose many lives every year to this disease. Second is diarrheal diseases. Diarrheal diseases constitute one of the major cause of morbidity and mortality, especially among children below 5 years of age. Outbreaks of diarrheal diseases, including cholera, continue to occur in India due to poor environmental conditions. Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis or TB remains a major community health problem in India. The emergence of HIV-TB co-infection and multi-drug resistant TB has increased the severity and magnitude of the disease. Leprosy. Leprosy is another important public health problem in India. During the year 2018-19, total number of cases were 1,20,334. These were the cases which detected in India. All the states and union territories report cases of leprosy. Still they report. ARI. Acute respiratory infections are one of the major causes of morbidity and mortality in children below 5 years of age. Pneumonia, tonsillitis, influenza, bronchiolitis are the main infections of respiratory system which affect children in India. Measles and rubella also contribute to major causes of morbidity and mortality. Although these are vaccine preventable diseases and due to effective vaccination we are able to control them, but in between some cases appears. Others like meningitis, viral hepatitis, Japanese encephalitis, dengue, enteric fever, helminth infections, that we call it worm infestations, are among other important communicable diseases problem in India. The tragedy is that most of these diseases can either easily be prevented or treated with minimum input of resources such as even vaccination and health education. Second major health problem is non-communicable disease problem. India is experiencing a rapid epidemiological transition with the large and rising burden of chronic non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable disease includes diabetes mellitus, cancer, stroke, chronic lung disease, etc. These disorders have emerged as a major public health problem due to an aging population and environmental driven changes in behavior. Cancer has become an important public health problem with an estimated 7 to 9 lakh cases occurring every year. In India, tobacco related cancer account for about half of the total cancers among men and 20% among women. About 1 million tobacco related deaths occur each year, making tobacco related health issue a major public health concern. Heart disease and stroke cases are also increasing due to change in lifestyle and eating habits. Other non-communicable diseases such as accidents, dental problems, cataract, etc. also have major impact on our public health infrastructure. Third major health problem is nutritional problems. From the nutritional point of view, the Indian community have both types of problems of undernutrition and overnutrition. The specific nutritional problems in the country are protein energy malnutrition or PEM. Insufficiency of food appears to be the chief cause of PEM that includes marasmus and kwashiorkor, which is a major health problem particularly in first years of life. Nutritional anemia. India has probably the highest prevalence of nutritional anemia in women and children. About one half of non-pregnant women, young children are estimated to suffer from anemia, and 60 to 80% of pregnant women are anemic. Low birth weight babies. About 28% of the babies born in India are of low birth weight as compared to about 4% in some developed countries. The maternal malnutrition and anemia are mainly responsible for this condition. Iodine deficiency disorders like goiter and other iodine deficiency disorders have been known to be highly endemic in sub-Himalayan region and as well as in other parts of the country as well. Vitamin A deficiency. About 0.04% of total blindness in India is attributed to nutritional deficiency of vitamin A. Keratomalacia has been the major cause of nutritional blindness in children usually 1 to 3 years of age. Other nutritional problems are letharism and fluorosis in certain parts of country which may be due to widespread adulteration of foodstuff. Apart from this, the other vitamin and mineral deficiencies are also prevalent in India, such as vitamin B deficiency, vitamin C deficiency, calcium deficiency, etc. Next problem is environmental sanitation problem. The most difficult problem in this country is the environmental sanitation problem. The problem of environmental sanitation contribute to the lack of safe water in many areas of the country and old and insufficient method of excreta disposal. Besides these, there has been a growing concern about impact of new problem resulting from population explosion, urbanization, industrialization leading to the hazards to the human health, especially due to environmental sanitation. Poor sanitation leads to air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. All these pollutants have very bad effect on health. Environmental sanitation problem also leads to breeding places for mosquitoes and flies, and these insects causes vector-borne diseases such as malaria, filaria, dengue, etc. Medical care problem. The existing hospital-based and disease-oriented healthcare model has provided health benefits mainly to the urban areas. Approximately 80% of the health facilities are concentrated in the urban areas. Even in urban areas, there is an uneven distribution of doctors and hospitals, and they are overcrowded also. In urban areas, urban health problems have been aggravated and includes overcrowding of hospitals, inadequate staffing, scarcity of certain essential drugs and medicines. In the rural areas where nearly 72% of our populations live do not enjoy the benefit of modern curative and preventive health services. The major medical care problem in India is unequal distribution of available health resources between urban and rural areas and lack of penetration of health services to the periphery, especially high level medical care and services. Next is population problem. The population problem is one of the biggest problem of our country. This is the problem which affects employment, education, housing, health services, sanitation, environmental situation of the country. The population size and structure represent the most important single factor which affects health. So these are the main health problems in the community in India. So watching for such videos, you just subscribe the channel and you can like Facebook page. For making your notes, just visit my blogger mynursingstudents.blogspot.com, and for latest update, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and join Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.